Today we are making muesli, and I'll be telling you how to make muesli in the right manner so that you can consume it properly. You can get the benefits of the seeds, nuts, dry fruits, whatever the ingredients are in this particular muesli. So for every individual we need at least 30 grams of muesli, which should be soaked in approximately triple the amount of milk. So if 30 grams is the muesli, we should have at least 90 ml of milk in it. So as we are 4 members, I would be making for 4 of us, wherein we have 2 adults and 2 children. So I would be making 100 grams of muesli, and you people have to make 30 grams. So for making 30 grams, you need a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, which is available in the market easily. So 1 tablespoon is generally 10 grams. So for 30 grams, you need 3 tablespoons. So select any particular bowl of your choice, which should be good enough wherein you can put 100 ml of milk and enjoy your muesli with fruits. So I would be using this bowl for 100 grams of muesli. As I said, I will be putting 100 grams. So as I have a weighing scale under it, so it is easier for me to do it like this. But for any particular individual, you have to use a tablespoon. So now this is 100 grams of muesli. I would be putting a lot of milk so that this particular muesli is soaked in it, which is 3 times at least. So for 100 grams it is 300 ml, whereas for 30 grams it will be 90. So I generally add this much milk, and then now I would be putting it in the microwave. And I will be microwaving it for 2 minutes. Till the time my muesli is getting prepared, I will be taking out fruits, banana, apple, few grapes. I'm going to add some strawberries. So as it is for 4 members, I'm using 3 strawberries. You can do it with 1 or 2. Still the muesli is not done. I'll mix it a bit. I have to bring the milk to a boiling point. So I'm putting it again. Doing it for another 2 minutes. Till the time you can cut your fruits. In case you want to have it later, cold, then you can cut the fruits later on. Else you can cut it. We would be needing more milk. So now this is boiled. It took me around 6 minutes to boil this muesli for 4 people, which was 100 grams. For you, it should take around 3.5 minutes to boil 30 grams of muesli. The muesli, once it is boiled, it should be thick. It should have mixed very well. If you touch the oats which were present in it, or the seeds, it would be very soft. Now we will add some more milk to it so that it thins a little bit. Now I'll clinch wrap it, and I would be putting it in the refrigerator for some time to cool it down. After that, I'll consume it with fruits like banana, apple, strawberries, grapes. You should have at least 3 to 4 kinds of fruits along with this muesli. Fruits add fiber, which will help you digest the seeds, the dry fruits, the grains present in this muesli. And extra milk will give a lot of hydration to your body. Less milk or less of liquid will dehydrate your body. Now I've clinch wrapped this muesli, and I would be refrigerating it. I've told you about what fruits to have it along with: strawberry, grapes, banana, apple, or fruits of your choice. Good morning. Yesterday night I explained to you the process of making muesli, and now is the time we are ready to consume it. I just took it out from the refrigerator. It is very thick. Now as you see, this is too thick, so I would be adding some milk. I forgot to tell you yesterday that we use skim milk. So now I'm adding more milk according to how thin I would want it to be. I mix it well. If we look at the seeds, the nuts, the grains, It has really soaked the milk very well. In case you don't like to have it cold, you can add more milk and microwave it for a minute or two. Otherwise, as we would like to have it cold, so I just added milk to it, and this is ready to eat. Soft, nutritious muesli. So as you see here, the platter of fruits. So I have bananas, I have grapes, I have papaya, strawberries, apples, and I have chikus. So you can add as many fruits as you would like to have, or omit any if you don't like. But this is the best combination to have with muesli. And this is the muesli which is ready, soaked very well, very thick like ghee. Please do not add any sugar to it. Consume your muesli with fruits. You'll get the sweetness from the fruits and the dry fruits present in the muesli.